just no telling what I might or might not be doing. It seems like everything that we do or I do revolves around logging of some sorts. What I'm doing right now, y'all are inside of our 310 SE John Deere backhoe. It's cabbed in, got a 4-in-1 front bucket on it. It's got a extender hoe and a thumb on the back of it back there too. That's what it's got. So you see me open that bucket up. This is cedar. This is some cedar that I'm loading here. See how I bite that tree right there? This thing, we'll get over here where I bite it in the middle. I've got a YouTube friend that lives down at Meridian, Mississippi that's been wanting some cedar. And so we got to go down there to a ball game tomorrow. And I'm going to take him a load of cedar down there. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to take y'all along. Let y'all tag along. All that fun stuff like that while I go down there and take that load of cedar to him. That 4-in-1 front bucket, man, I'm not real sure what it's technically supposed to be for, but it works really good biting logs like that, man, and picking them up and then loading them. I have loaded lots and lots of loads of logs with this backhoe and that 4-in-1 front bucket. I've done a lot of yard jobs, what I call yard jobs, over the years, and this is what I use to do them with, is this machine right here. Let's see. Get this big in here on top. This backhoe is a handy thing. This is actually our second backhoe that we've ever owned. It's kind of funny, when you have a backhoe, everybody wants to borrow it. The last guy that we had borrow this thing wanted to borrow it. It's alright, you can borrow it. No experience whatsoever. $800 worth of glass later. I think he was wishing he hadn't ever borrowed it or anything, because he knocked out 2 windows on this thing. Equipment is not for somebody who has never had any experience on it. It's always baffled me why people want to always borrow your stuff for when they don't have no experience on it. Yeah, because this machine right here with a cab and air and all the 4-wheel drive and all the bells and whistles this thing's got on it, man, it is not cheap, brother. Well, ain't nobody want to borrow it no more since then, though. So you can run over here. I mean, it's better than forks, man. Just grab it up, put it over here, and set it on the trailer. Get her lined up. I'm not sitting in the best freaking spot right here either, by the way. We're gonna make her work, man. Let's see here. This one's a little bit long. I'm gonna put it in between. Always. We'll get that butt of it right there against that rail. There we go. Alright. Now, we'll move it around. I want it to go between those ramps right there is what I want. Just like that. Alright, let me jump out and stand these ramps right quick. I'll be right back. Alright, the audio, I'm going to explain some things. The audio is going to be a lot different now because I forgot that the batteries that I put into my wireless stuff, my wireless mic and all that. I failed to charge them, so I missed a lot of the stuff with the backhoe. I got it on video, and I'm still gonna use some of it, but I didn't get the audio on it. So, and y'all are not on wireless mic right now either. But I'm fixing to bind this stuff down. I'll charge these batteries tonight. That's just another part of the learning curve and all that. I hate that because it had some good stuff in it, but fixing to grab the other. I'm gonna probably put 3 chains and binders on this. Let me grab the other ones right quick. I'll be right back. Already done threw the chains over. Strap her down now, man. WD-40, I swear this stuff will cure cancer, man. Good stuff. She's buying it down now. She ain't going nowhere. She good to go. Come on, I'll pull y'all loose where you can walk around and look at this trailer here too. This I can't remember if this trailer's 18 or 20 foot, but the same people that built our log trailers built this trailer. It's got two 7,000 pound torsion axles up under it. Let's see. Yeah, it's got brakes on both axles. I thought it did. It's a good built trailer. It'll haul a load too, man. You can see all the cedar. When I get down there tomorrow, I'm gonna film as he's unloading it, where I'm gonna take it to. So that'll be pretty cool. This is the first load the Dodge has really pulled so far. So, oh shoot, gracious alive. I just ripped the crotch out of my pants, people. I'm hiking my leg to go over that tongue. Oh yeah, I did. Look at there. Maybe that won't be pornographic. Lord have mercy. On a Friday afternoon, about dark. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Later, taters.